Your fingers fumble when you try to lace your festival braids? Then this video is for you. Let's make a 3D dragon braid with no braiding required. Start off by taking sections of your hair and rubber banding them. I did about 8 sections in total. You can do more or less depending on what you like. Next, grab a piece of your braiding hair and another rubber band and wrap your rubber band around the braiding hair so you can tie it into your ponytail easily. Secure the braiding hair to each of the sections you created. I had 8 sections, so I secured 8 pieces of braiding hair to each section. Now it's time for the hard part. With the first section in the first row, split that hair into 3 pieces. When you're using braiding hair, it could get a little tricky, but just be patient. Now with the second section in the second row, split that section into 2 pieces. Make sure you don't have any other hair from the rows mixed in with your current section. I also like to make sure that my natural hair is always with braiding hair. We're going to take the middle piece from row 1 and put it in between the 2 pieces of row 2. We will also be securing row 1 to row 3. So bear with me now. Take the next 2 pieces of row 1 and wrap them around the outside legs of row 2. Combine the hair you just pulled to the back to row 3. I know it's confusing, but watch. Take that piece and combine it with row 3. Now we have the 2 sections of row 2 in the front. Rubber band that piece off. It has now become row 3. Now we're working with row 2 and row 3. Row 3 is the mega pony we combined. We want to split that into 2 pieces. And row 2, our original 2 pieces, will now become 3. I'll give you a moment of silence so you can watch what I'm doing instead of hearing me talk. Remember to mix the synthetic hair with your natural hair so you don't have any shorter braids. I know this is difficult, guys, but rubber band that section off. I'm going to show you one more time using clips, so hopefully you can get that. Section the 2 pieces in front of your face into 3 and section the combined ponytail into 2 pieces. We're going to take the section of 3 and place it on either side of the section of 2. Watch closely. Did you get that? That section of 3 will now be added to the ponytail underneath. I'll do it one more time to show you how it looks in the back. I'm taking my bottom section and splitting it into 2. And I'm taking my top section and splitting it into 3, making sure I have synthetic hair with my natural hair. Now I'm going to take the 2 sections from the bottom row and put them in between the sections of the top row. Hopefully that wasn't too confusing, and hopefully seeing it multiple times made it a bit easier. But go ahead and rubber band off your sections and feel free to pull and loosen up the braid to make it bigger and fluffier as you wish. To finish off the tail, create bubble braids on both sections. Pull one braid section through the other braid's bubble by opening up the bubble and pulling the section through. Do this as far down as you like. But there you have it, a no braid 3D dragon braid that is slightly complicated.